Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna do the sound test between these two soundbar that I have, and one is from saregama that you can see right there, and another one is cloudwalker. They both are 2.1 soundbar, and you can see the subwoofer is right there. So today I'm gonna do the sound test between these two, and I'm gonna check how they sounds really through the Bluetooth. Well, this one is mounted right here, right below my TV, and the cloudwalker is in another room on right above my computer monitor. So I'm gonna do this one sound check here, and that one's in that room right there. I'm not gonna remove them and put them side by side. I'm gonna check. Well, no need of that, because the rooms are same, the environment, everything are almost same, and the both are mounted on the wall, so kind of same like that. So let's start with this one.
I was sitting just laying my bed with the frost in my hand, getting stuck to the race with you. But I sleep and cruise now. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. I'm just laying my bed with the frost in my hand, getting stuck to the race with you. But I sleep and cruise now. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. There's somebody in my life that can make it for. I've been lost, I'll be found in the bucket. Way out in the crowd, feeling all pain. There's somebody in my life that can make it for. That one's just me times two. That one is just me times two. So